So just like you had to do when we started the derivative formulas, you do have a whole bunch now of integral formulas you have to know. We're going to go over the rules today, but these are some critical integration formulas you just have to memorize that we're going to be looking at. Again, kind of going backwards, we know the derivative of sine is cosine. Well, now when you integrate cosine, we know it's going to be sine because, again, sine's derivative of cosine, so this is the derivative of sine. So notice we're doing the derivative backwards. So suppose that we have f of x and g of x are antiderivatives of f of x and g of x respectively, and c is a constant. A constant factor, just some rules to go over now, can move through an integral sign. That is, again, just like we could do with our derivatives, we can pull the constant out. So that constant is going to be c times your f of x plus c. So whatever the antiderivative of f of x is, we can take that constant, multiply it by our integrand, and then plus c. An antiderivative of a sum is the sum of the antiderivatives. That is, again, if I'm asking you to take the integral of a sum, then again, we can rewrite this as f of x plus g of x plus c. So we can integrate integrate f of x and g of x and then add those antiderivatives together. An antiderivative of a difference is the difference of the antiderivatives. That is, the integral of f of x minus g of x dx is equal to f of x minus g of x.